Welcome to our channel. Today we'll learn how to password protect a PDF file. So we're going to use this file. So I'm going to show you that currently it's not password protected. You can see that this is not password protected and you can open it easily. Okay, let's close it now. Okay, now we will go to this website. I'm going to share the link with you guys in the comment box below. So when you're here, you have to click the select a file, and then you have to find the file and just double click. It will take some time for Adobe to, load it. So we just have to wait now. Okay, it is loaded now. So here you'll have to set the password. So we'll just, say something here. Put a password. You have to confirm it again. Okay, I'll click set password now. Yeah, they also say it's like whether it's strong or not, you can just create a strong password. Let's click set password. You can just close it. And then your protected PDF file is ready to download. So click download. You'll see that it's been downloaded. Let's left click here. And it will ask you the password, you see. See, I will just put the password and hit submit. And voila, you can see that